Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up the December Ipsy. So we have the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and the theme for December is Oh What Fun. Let the celebrations begin. We're throwing a month-long holiday party to bring you all good cheer and glam beauty. So swipe on a bright lip, slip on your dancing shoes, and get ready to revel in the most wonderful time of the year. And then you can get more info if you scan that QR code. Super cute. So on the plus bag it says hooray in gold. And I love the velvet feel of the glam bag. And look, it's like coral in the back. I love the coloring. And we have gold here. So super cute bags. Can you believe it's December already? I cannot. So this is kindly sent to me free for review, but I don't have an affiliate link or anything like that. I will link Ipsy down below if you're interested in subscribing. And also, we're going to unbox, of course, today, and I have some updates, so stay tuned for that. And let's get started. How about we start with the glam bag? So I probably won't spend too much time talking about all the details, because I feel like everyone knows Ipsy. You know, this is the $12 bag. You get mostly deluxe size, and you get to customize one item. And then the Ipsy Plus, you get to customize 3 out of 5, and there's 5 full-size items in this. It's around $28. So I think this is my favorite color. I don't know, I love it all. And it says Ipsy on the zipper. And the inside it is lined and it's this pretty pink. So how about we just pour out the items. And we'll have these over here so you can kind of see pretty bags. So first up, we have by First Aid Beauty the Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. Nice. This is good for winter skin. I think I've tried this one before. Maybe it was a different kind in their line, but these, I know their moisturizers are really great for dry, sensitive skin. So awesome. And then we have a deluxe size mascara by Milk Makeup, their Rise mascara. So this is a lifting and lengthening and a volume, lift, length, and volume. So it seems like it does everything. I haven't heard of this one, so excited to try it out, potentially, we'll see. And I love lip oils. This is the lip oil, Sophia and Mabel Fruit Lip Oil. I'm like stumbling over my words, sorry. I haven't really talked much today, I just came out of a lecture. Watermelon, ooh, fruit lip oil. I love lip oils. I go through them pretty quick too. And then by Tea Time. I don't think I've tried, no wait, it's Biro. I like this brand. This is Biro, New York. The product is called Tea Time. This is Rose Tea Eye Cream. This brightens, depuffs, and firms. Ooh, nice. Look, I like how we've got some pink matching. And then we have a full-size lip liner. I love the Ipsy Glam Bag, especially to recommend to people just getting into the beauty bag or beauty box world, because you pay like pretty cheap and you sometimes get full-size items. And you always get at least $50 worth in value. And I think for the Plus, it's at least $125. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, please. But this is by Luna Magic Lip Liner in Basitos. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. Let's do a swatch. So one of my updates is I want to start doing again some reviews. So like, for example, in the January Ipsy video, I will let you know how the items are. Like I'll do a little mini review for the month prior's items. I used to do that and I want to start doing it again. I kind of stopped because I was giving away so many of my items, but this is beautiful and very pigmented, by the way, and super smooth. Oh my gosh, I love this. I can't wait to try it, actually. I'm still going to give some items away, and there will be a giveaway in this video. Stay tuned. But I'm going to try some of the items. So I'll do like a recap at the end of next month. I'll tell you like what items I used and what I thought of them, what I gave away, what are giveaway, you know, like give away to like friends, family, what gave to the giveaways, whatever. But I'll try and use items and give a little wrap-up review. So I know some people enjoyed that. Hopefully you guys like that idea coming back to the channel. Let me know. But let's move on to the Ipsy Plus. Hooray! Just gonna take everything out. And we'll just like set it on top of this. So let's start with the Tarte Shadow and Liner. I feel like I've gotten one of these before, but I gave it away. Rose Gold, Luster, and Brown. Let's I've been pretty minimal with my makeup, so I feel like something like this will be really useful for me. Like a quick, you know, that's the whole point of it, to be a quick look. You do the eyeshadow and then the liner, so let's do swatches of that. Ooh, that's pretty. See that? I just want to keep doing it. Now let's try the liner. Looks like it's brown. Yeah, rose gold, luster, and brown duh. Nice. So I'll let you guys know next month how this works out. And then we have some brushes by MOTD. It looks like we have a contour blend and a contour. Oh, they're double-sided, so it's really like 4 brushes. And look at the pretty colors. These are probably gonna go away because go into a giveaway because I have so many brushes. I told myself I'm not allowed to open anymore. They're so pretty. And it's like, yeah, 2 in 1, so you get 4. So this one's contour, and then we have blend, highlight, and blush. Nice. I've gotten some of their brushes before. Look how pretty. And I do really like them. Then we have a palette here by Ciate London, the Velvet palette. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one yet. So let's take a look at it. I'm not going to swatch because, oh gosh, I might like rip the box open. Come on. I am sweaty. I was working out as I was in my like online lecture. I feel like it's a great way to knock things out. Okay, I can't open this. What the heck? I need like a little tweezer. That was like my trick back in the day. Okay, got it. But yeah, and I turned my ear up. Oh, I like this like matte finish. So the Velvet and Palette. No, can I get it open? Struggle bus. Okay, got it. I will probably just cut that out because that's embarrassing because I'm so sweaty right now. But this is what it looks like. Maybe, okay, there we go. I can't really see. There you go. This is really pretty. So it looks like they're mostly shimmers and a few like velvety mattes, which makes sense. The velvet. This is pretty. I'm guessing I'll put it in a giveaway though. If you guys have tried this, please leave a comment and let us know how it is. And then, last but not least, ooh, by Patchology, we have the Serve Chilled Rosé Sheet Mask. So there are 4 masks in here, made with strawberry extract, resveratrol, hyaluronic acid, formulated, we already talked about the antioxidants. So rosé is pink and so is this mask. Also, they're cute masks too. So it helps protect against environmental stressors, which can lead to early signs of aging, and also gives hydration. And it recommends storing them in a fridge and pairing with a beach picnic, stacked cheese plate, and perhaps a glass of actual rosé. Off the charts refreshment. Nice. Let's take a look at what the packaging looks like on the inside. Super cute, matches the box. These are so cute. Look at sequins, it looks like, or little bubbles are shiny. Super cute. So that was everything that was in my Ipsy Plus and my Ipsy Glam bag. Let me know what you think, what you got in yours, if you got Ipsy as well. And yeah, so there is going to be a giveaway. So those of you who stuck around, here's lucky day. So to enter my giveaway, same as usual, I'm going to fill a bag, like one of those priority USPS bags full of beauty products, skincare, all of the goods that I get in my boxes that I haven't used, and I will send them to one lucky winner. So to enter, you have to be a subscriber and like this video, and then leave a comment. And then, should I leave it open the whole month? Let's see. Look in the description box. I'll let you know when the end date is. I'll probably leave this open for 2 weeks though. So like, we'll say like this ends December 15th, how about? So you have 2 weeks to enter, and you can come back and comment every day if you would like. Just don't be like overly spammy, because I know once I had someone that like would leave a comment like the same one, like just copy and paste like 100 million times. But those actually get filtered out, so it doesn't really matter actually. So yeah, whatever. So yeah, you can come back every day if you want, and I will use a random comment generator on the 16th and pick a winner and make sure they're subscribed and follow the rules. And then I will pin your comment and let you know you won, and also put it on my community tab, and you'll have 48 hours to get back to me, and then I will ship you your bag of goodies. This is my way of saying thank you and giving back to the community. I really appreciate all of you and your support. I'm so grateful for you. I love you so much. So thanks again. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.